Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make professional logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Make circle with ellipse tool and convert into stroke, and increase stroke size. Now delete front side. Make a lines with pen tool. Now select the shapes and expand it. Now go to Pathfinder and merge all files. Make circle with pen tool and convert into stroke size, and increase stroke size. Expand it and adjust it with shape. Align the lines perfectly and merge with shape builder. Now make a straight rectangle shape, and select all files and delete top shapes with shape builder. Rotate it and round the inner points. Now make a water shape with pen tool, and go to Pathfinder and merge it. Now color it. Now put text in it. I'm using Nataka font and Organo font, link in description. Here you go and download it. Now make a copy for background shadow, and decrease opacity. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.